don't know how you managed to overtake us.
We could not keep up with you, sir. Emerson Fittipaldi.
Adam Collins, Wing Commander Adam Collins, the officer commanding of the Red Arrows. Good to meet you. Hello. It's a pleasure. So, Tom, team leader, leading the department. Counting upwards.
We went to school together.
We managed to have a day off yesterday, so we landed in Rise Norton after 5 past. We on Saturday evening, like that. Wait for some support.
In Spain, it's okay.
Potentially further east the year after that, so a really varied role and one that we're always away just underneath the aircraft. Yep, so the black and yellow underwear, which and then today I'll have to do. So very simple cockpit. And no warning map on display. So this oh, correct. Pulls your blood back up to your head so that it helps you for not blacking out, which obviously isn't ideal when you're flying.
Kot ste pravilno rekli, je danes dan britansko-slovenskega prijateljstva, to pa v spomin na dogodke med drugo svetovno vojno, ko so bili tudi britanski piloti sestreljeni na našem ozemlju. In že včeraj smo imeli eno slovesnost v Brkinih. V ta namen danes smo imeli drugo slovesnost v Beli krajini in zato so danes tudi z nami britanski piloti iz skupine Red Arrows, ki so nameravali izvesti prelet nad slovesnostjo, vendar vreme tega ni omogočalo. Zato so pa danes tukaj tudi na tem letališču in se jim zahvaljujem za njihovo prisotnost. So pa to pomembni spomini na drugo svetovno vojno, na sodelovanje in to nas opominja, da moramo tudi danes seveda še vedno sodelovati, saj mir ni trajna dobrina, kar tudi vidimo vsak dan.
Prepared.